In this guide, I'm going to show you how to check the inbox on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two main inboxes you could check. The first is going to be your messages. So select the little message icon down in the bottom middle of the screen. This will open up your regular Instagram inbox where you could see DMs from other users. If you don't see a message there, what you want to do is check your requests. So, select request real quick to check messages from people that you don't follow or people that, Instagram might have filtered. The second inbox is for account updates and support messages. So go to your profile and then tap those three lines up in the top right to open up a page that looks like this. Scroll down on here and you're going to see account status, or you could just search for it. Open up account status and you're going to see in this section if Instagram has sent any notices about removed content, account issues, or features you can't use. You can also go back and go to the help tab and open up the support request, but that's completely up to you. But that's where you could view reports that you submitted and any violations or messages from Instagram about your account, or even just DMs as well. But that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.